Hello Dogelon investors and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the future of Dogelon on Mars. Dogelon, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency that has taken the world by storm, has been making headlines for its recent surge in value. But what about its future on the Red Planet? As we know, Mars is being explored and colonized by various private space organizations with the aim of making it a livable planet. With this development, the future of cryptocurrencies like Dogelon on Mars is a topic that has garnered a lot of attention. One of the key benefits coming to Dogelon Mars is its fast transaction speed and low fees, making it ideal for day-to-day transactions on a new settlement on Mars. With the limited infrastructure and resources available on the Red Planet, a cryptocurrency like Dogelon could prove to be extremely useful in facilitating transactions between the settlers. Additionally, the use of Dogelon on Mars would allow for greater financial independence from Earth. The settlers on Mars would have their own economy, which would be powered by Dogelon and other cryptocurrencies, giving them greater control over their finances and allowing for greater economic growth on the Red Planet. In conclusion, the future of Dogelon on Mars is bright and full of possibilities. With its fast transaction speeds and low fees, Dogelon could play a crucial role in facilitating the economy of a new settlement on the Red Planet. As Mars continues to be explored and colonized, we can expect to see the growth of the Dogelon community on the Red Planet. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.